Hi, I'm going to be discussing a similar question we've done in the past in this course. So let's start. Suppose we wanted to send a spacecraft to the Alpha Centauri system, our nearest stellar neighbors. Our current fastest spaceship can travel at a speed of 5.87 times 10 to the negative 12 light years per second. How many years would it take for this spacecraft to reach Alpha Centauri at a distance of 2.4 light years from Earth? Okay, so what we're given here is velocity, which is v. Velocity is 5.87 times 10 to the negative 12 light years per second, and we're given distance, which is 2.4 light years. So what we need to use is the formula velocity equals to distance over time, which can be rearranged as time equals to distance over velocity by multiplying both sides by t and dividing both sides by v to isolate for time, because that's what we need to find, how many years. So let's start by plugging in the values we have, since we know that this is in light years per second, and since distance is in light years over here and the light years over here, the two units can cancel out and we'll be left with seconds. So 2.4 light years all over 5.87 times 10 to the negative 12 light years per second. Since these two cancel out, we're left with seconds, which is t equals 2. We get 4.0886 times 10 to the 11 seconds. But we're not done here, since we need years. So we need to convert the seconds to years. So let's start by converting how many seconds are in 1 hour. There are 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. So now, how many hours are there in 1 day? There are 24 hours in 1 day. And in 1 year, there are 365 days. So the units here cancel out, days, the hours here cancel out, and the seconds cancel out. So we just converted seconds to years, just like that. So now what we get is 4.088 times 10 to the 11 divided by 3,600 divided by 24 divided by 365, and we get approximately 12964 years. And that's it. We get approximately 12,964 years for the spacecraft to take from Earth to Alpha Centauri in 2.4 light years, going at 5.87 times 10 to the negative 12 light years per second. Thank you.